We're living in the digital age, which means our daily needs are now progressing into the digital sphere. And we need gadgets that keep up with these changes in technology. But sometimes, these needs come from wanting to become the next James Bond or joining the CIA. Whether it's a GoPro comparable drone, a chamber lock for firearms, or a smart strap that enables you to make calls by placing your fingertip on your ear, we're counting down the 12 real spy gadgets that you can get on Amazon. Let's get started with the video. Number 12. SPYFINDER Hidden Camera Detector. With the rise of digitalization, our privacy and security is constantly at threat, especially in public locations like hotels, office spaces, cafes, and even toilets. In such unpredictable situations, one can only hope for a small savior that would make us feel secure. No need to worry, the SPYFINDER Pro is here to the rescue. This portable wireless hidden camera locator is used by professionals globally. It's simple to use and extremely effective in weeding out hidden cameras in no time. To use the SPYFINDER Pro, activate the set of bright LEDs by pushing the button once. The SPYFINDER has a detection range of approximately 2 feet to 45 feet, with 3 settings allowing you to fluctuate between distances. Number 11. Ghost Drone F100 GP. Just like its name, this drone is the perfect spy gadget to ensure you go past sticky situations completely undetected and still manage to get important evidence. This RC drone comes with a GoPro action camera mount, compatible with the GoPro Heroes 3 and 4. It also features powerful brushless motors, manual control, and races in 2 speeds. The long-range drone has a flight distance of 500 meters and includes 3 swappable RC drone shells. Capture moments from the sky in vivid colors. This video and photography drone can be set to record from above during its flight. And the high landing gear protects your quadcopter drone camera when landing on turbulent surfaces. The Ghost drone includes 2 rechargeable drone batteries, 2.4 GHz remote control, balance charger, extra propellers, guards, and drone accessories. Number 10. Yi Home Camera 2. Presenting the home monitoring camera straight from the future. The Yi Home Camera 2 is everything you'd imagine a monitoring system and films to have. Its sleek design houses an advanced Ambarella S2LM IP camera, enabling a super low bitrate, H.264 video compression, and featuring a powerful ARM Cortex-A9 CPU. It leverages Ambarella's Smart AVC to achieve a savings of 40% in video size, while preserving a superb 1080p HD live video quality. Equipped with incredible night vision, with the best-in-class Panasonic 1 out of 2.8 inches CMOS sensor, with V-Mycovican technology for a clear image even in conditions of very low light, you can record footage in the dark with ease and with clear definition. There's no light pollution, so your baby or pet wouldn't be disturbed by the camera, and it's practically invisible to the naked eye with no intruder will ever catch it. With two-way audio and advanced compression algorithms, the camera yields even better sound quality. Its latest motion detection technology reduces false alerts by identifying moving objects with better precision and reducing the impact of light changes and other interfering factors. Number 9. Focals by North. The concept of IRL heads-up display has been a part of science fiction since basically the beginning. Big players have tried their hand at it, but it's a complete failure. However, North may have cracked the nut on smart glasses with focals. They're not perfect by any means. They're even slightly heavy and don't feel quite as seamless as science fiction promised they would. But this may be the best pair of smart glasses invented yet. The focals are technically AR glasses, but they're not focused on gaming or content consumption. They're designed to move notifications from your phone to your sight line. It's a bit like an Apple Watch for your face. These notifications include the date and time, the weather, text notifications, email, Slack, Apple News alerts, Uber notifications, sports scores, turn-by-turn navigation, and more. Users navigate this content using the Loop, a ring outfitted with a nub of a joystick, which is meant to be worn on the index finger of your dominant hand. We're super excited to see these glasses become a norm in the future. Their time has arrived. Number 8. SPYSLIDE Webcam Cover. We might dedicate most of our lives to the internet nowadays, but it goes without saying that you're always at the maximum risk of exposure when you're online. Sites we know and trust can end up infecting our devices with spyware that hacks our webcams and records everything we do. No matter what you do, simply tapping your webcam isn't the way to go, and it also makes your device look super ugly. With 3 years of research and development, 4 prototypes, and 8,000 initial product testers, SPYSLIDE is simply the go-to webcam cover with no compromises on quality and functionality that everyone should have. Since SPYSLIDE successfully launched on crowdfunding platforms, it has received public exposure on a global scale and has proven concept to more than 10,000 clients and counting. It uses the best 3M adhesives, ensuring a secure attachment to your device so incredibly that the camera cover can easily outlast your laptop or phone. The SPYSLIDE cover was initially tested on more than 250 different devices, from the smallest smartphones to the largest laptops. That gives us the confidence to promise that you'll never have to worry about which device it fits. You buy it once and can enjoy it effortlessly for years. Number 7. Duo Portable Security Sensor. Don't you just wish you could carry the safety that your phone provides you out in the world where everything is risky and you could be easily spied on in public places and even in private spots like hotels? Luckily for you, the Duo Portable Security Sensor is the answer to all your outdoor security concerns. If you ever find yourself in a strange place that looks like it could be a potential security risk, simply take out your Duo Portable Security Sensor and let it do its thing. Make any space safer with immediate foolproof text alerts for your gun safe, storage space, and more. It doesn't matter what you're trying to protect or where it is. The Duo Portable Security Sensor can offer added peace of mind. This palm-sized gadget uses light and motion sensors to detect disturbances, and a dedicated cellular connection sends you alerts via SMS. As a result, it doesn't need a Wi-Fi connection, and with up to a year of battery life, it doesn't need an outlet either, making it ideal for places like your safe at home or your luggage at a hotel. Number 6. ZORE Gun Lock. The spy life is tough. You never know when a stable situation can go awry and your weapon can be used against you. If you find yourself in such a situation, the ZORE X Gun Lock can come to your rescue, and you won't even have to call for backup. The ZORE X Gun Lock is a chamber lock designed primarily for prevention of children, animals, and other unauthorized means of access to firearms. The ZORE X offers the fastest way to go from lock to loaded. By charging the gun, the lock is ejected and a round is immediately charged. Its patented revolutionary dial system quickly unlocks under any circumstances, even in zero visibility, just by counting clicks. Start from any point in any direction. When the ZORE X is locked, charging the gun causes the cartridge to expand further, locking the slide by making it virtually tamper-proof until the radial code is activated. The ZORE X Gun Lock is an ally that won't abandon you in a terrible situation. You can count on it. Number 5. Hidden Camera Phone Dock. Are you suspicious of unsolicited acts inside your home? The LISV Invisible Camera Lens Hidden Camera Phone Dock is the perfect nanny camera for home or office surveillance, childcare, pet, and catching evidence of infidelity. With the LISV Invisible Camera Lens, you can easily put your suspicion to rest and monitor your home. Equipped with a black special glass and the real charging base of the dock, no one will realize that there's a spy camera hidden inside. Perfectly compatible with all versions of the iPhone and iPods, it ensures safe and stable charging and wirelessly connects via Wi-Fi to understand and get real-time alerts. Even if you don't have time to stare at your phone, you won't miss any important details. Number 4. Lookout Charger. We know that security and surveillance are on the mind of every homeowner, employer, parent, and partner in the world. Meet Lookout, the world's first undetectable security camera built into a phone adapter. Serving as a 2-in-1 surveillance camera and phone charger, Lookout will be your portable, undetectable watchdog for any situation. No need for apps, monthly fees, or internet or cloud storage. Simply plug into an AC outlet to activate HD 1080p video and audio recording. Since it's built into a regular phone charger, Lookout is virtually undetectable. It's the first affordable security camera that is easy to use and packed with all the necessary features, allowing you to monitor your home, children, pets, elderly, business, and more in a matter of seconds. It doesn't have an SD card slot, pinholes, or obvious signs that it's a security camera. It actually charges your phone, making it the perfect stealth security camera. Unlike other surveillance cameras on the market, Lookout Charger is virtually undetectable to anyone from intruders to your family dog. Number 3. Signal. There's no one who has never lost their earphones in their lifetime, especially when you've got to receive an important call in a public place. Signal is a piece of technology straight from the future. It's a smart strap that enables you to make calls by placing your fingertip on your ear. Simply connect Signal with your watch to upgrade it. Place your fingertip to your ear and speak through the embedded microphone. It's as easy as ABC. Replace your existing watch strap with Signal and you're done. Whether you wear a classic watch or an Apple Watch, Samsung Gear, or Pebble Time, With Signal, you can keep your cell phone alone in your pocket and simply raise your hand to answer a phone call without carrying any extra headset or earphones. When you place your finger to your ear, your finger not only transmits the sound, but also blocks out any background noise. So you can hear a very clear voice in a loud place without worrying about other people listening in. Number 2. TRAILBLAZER Firearms LifeCard. Marketed as the last gun you'll ever leave behind, the TRAILBLAZER Firearms LifeCard is a folding, single-shot .22 caliber pistol that's no bigger than a stack of credit cards. At 0.5 inches thin and weighing less than 7 ounces, LifeCard will definitely be the last gun you'll leave behind. With a discreet shape, a sleek, no-snag design, and a size of credit card when folded, this is the ultimate spy gadget perfect for undercover operations. With storage in the handle for 3 extra rounds, and a full-size handle for easy use when unfolded, the LifeCard is adaptable and completely ambidextrous. Built-in safety features. After the first surprise shot from the LifeCard, the opponent won't take the time to analyze in detail the size of the weapon, nor the magazine capacity. The LifeCard changes the predator-prey relationship in seconds. It's perfect for offensive combat situations or simple self-defense. With the LifeCard, you'll never feel unsafe again. Number 1. Hush Me. Have you ever felt uncomfortable talking on the phone in public? What if someone's listening in on your super important conversation? Hush Me is a personal acoustic device that'll help you protect speech privacy and reduce noise pollution. There are 2 modes of Hush Me: normal headset mode and passive voice muffling mode. In the normal headset mode, Hush Me connects to the smartphone via Bluetooth, and you can use it as a hands-free headset while speaking on the phone or listening to music. In the passive voice muffling mode, Hush Me is locked over the mouth. This mode is provided by the innovative insulation materials embedded inside the mask and by the mouthpiece, made of hypoallergenic material. Therefore, people at the distance of 3 feet cannot discern your words, while a person at the other end can hear your voice well and undistorted thanks to the sensitive built-in microphone. You can also adapt the size of the mask so it fits your face perfectly. Hush Me is perfect for politely getting rid of any audio interference in your surroundings without having to engage in direct confrontation. Alright, comment below which of these spy gadgets you're getting your hands on first. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechJoint, and we'll see you in the next one.